Want to grow your own fresh vegetables at home? Like, share, and subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables for simple gardening tips.
I've got a 3-foot by 6-foot plot with at least 6 hours of sun on the March equinox. That's awesome. That means it's going to get even more sun throughout the rest of the summer. That means that you probably got a good amount of sun in the winter months too. She says, I eat a lot of greens. I sheet mulched and built the soil. I want to grow some greens. I love chard and bok choy. Ideas as to what is the best use of the limited space. For now, I just want to go through some of the different greens that you might choose. And on the next call, what I might do is show a diagram with some different, or I might even post it on Facebook after this too, showing kind of organization of these things. So the good news in Richmond, California is that you're blessed with great conditions and you can grow lots of greens and you can grow them year round. Your temperatures are probably not even going down to freezing for most nights in the winter. So you can really grow year round, which is really cool. It's not spiking up too high in temperature during the summer. And in the winter, you're going to have the benefit of having at least a little bit of moisture and rain. So in terms of greens that you can grow, you've got your big leafy greens like your kale, your collards, your chard, celery, bok choy, mustards, and Japanese cabbage. These are all things where you can take outer leaves and the plants are just going to keep growing. The bok choy at some point will give up. It'll be like, I've had enough. I'm going to stop producing now. But the other ones here are really just going to keep producing a lot of food over time. So I would recommend planting them. And shiso is actually kind of an herb, and it would grow really well as well. Perennial, you could put in some sorrel, and it's kind of a lemony green, and it's just gonna grow year round for you. And if you make green smoothies, this could replace lemon in your green smoothie, which is really cool. It'll give you a nice tart lemonade-y kind of flavor. Lots of salad mixes, of course, and these will last several weeks. So that you'll cut them and they'll come back. And then you can get creative with like pea shoots and just grow them like a salad mix. Just put down a lot of pea, especially in the winter time, put down a lot of pea seeds. I wouldn't do this in the winter. It's probably going to get too hot, or in the summer, it's probably going to get too hot for you. But in the winter, put down lots of peas and just grow pea shoots like a bed of lettuce. And some of the things that are really amazing that you might want to look at beyond that, the red giant mustard here is something that I really, really enjoy in the garden. It's similar in, it kind of looks similar to the Japanese greens, the mustard greens. It's got a nice mustardy flavor and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. Mizuna has a nice mustardy flavor as well, in these stir-fry mixes too. So these are all different types of greens that are similar to bok choy, but a little bit different that you might want to consider. And that sorrel that I talked about, that finding a perennial sorrel that's lemony, arugulas and greens mixes that are like salad mixes are going to be great for you. Tatsoi is another Japanese green that's delicious. And green wave is another mustard that's nice and spicy and you can grow a ton of mustard. So those are the types I would think about.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more simple and practical gardening tips, subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables. For more tips and updates, visit gyov.org and join our growing community.